I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. In that, creating and editing objects with working with the basic meshes in Blender. Blender is nothing but it is a tool which is used for creating an animation or creating different shapes or using the basic shapes. We are modifying that basic shape into some other shapes, and we can create a models also using that Blender tools. We can maximum we can create or we can develop a modeling in 3D types. Moreover, we know there are two types of animations. One is 2D and 3D. 2D is nothing but it is displayed in the two dimension, that is x and y axis, but the 3D is displayed in x, y and z axis. Using this Blender, it offers a variety of tools for creating and editing the basic mesh, which are the foundational elements of 3D modeling. By understanding these tools essential for constructing and manipulating the object, the 3D space objects, which are mostly used for adding a simple 3D shapes, which is shaping into the making model. This simple shape is called the primitive shapes because it is consists of several types of objects. When the primitive shapes is entered into the scene, it is referred as an objects. Blender automatically names the object according to the shapes that are circle. We are saying as a rectangle, square, triangle, but in the 3D shapes we need to say as cube, cuboid, cone shapes, sphere, that everything will be depends upon the x, y and z axis. Moreover, in shapes we are saying x and y, but Blender, according to the Blender, everything we need to represent by the 3 dimension, that is x, y and z. This is the common types of meshes we are using in the Blender space. The first one is cube. It mostly using with the box type modeling. We are using for using the cube shape. UV sphere we are using for round shaped square. Next is icosphere. It is a triangle face sphere using for like a cone shape. Cylinder, it is like a tube shape. For example, if you are designing a water bottle, we need to use the cylinder shape. After that, in the top, we need to create some nodes for decreasing the size of the lid. After that, we need to use the cap and everything. Next is cone. It is a circular bottom with a pointed base. Next is torus. It is a donut like shape, which is mostly used for ring. Designing a ring or designing a top with oval shape, we are using the torus. Next is plane surface. It is a flat surface which is used for floor, not only for floors, walls. We can use the solid colors, patterns, or texture for filling the plane. Next is monkey face. It is used for Blender mascot, used for testing. For example, if you are creating an animation character with a human face, we can use the monkey face. In that monkey face, we can alter to the some other animation character. According to that character, we can design this face, or we can use the basic shapes. For creating a basic mesh, we need to use the Shift plus A for open the add menu. The next we have to select the mesh option like a plane, cube, circle, UV sphere, icosphere, cylinder, cone and torus. According to this type, we can draw the particular shape in the 3D viewport. Then we can alter the shapes according to our objects model. Next is initial placement. For creating a new object in the 3D viewport, first we need to place the 3D cursor in which location we need. After that, we need to select the mesh according to our model. Which type we need to do, we need to select, then use the Shift plus S key for the placement in the 3D viewport. These are the sample mesh type. We can see the first one is plane surface, which maximum denotes for the ground floor or wall or texture effects. Second one is cube, which is mentioned in the box type. Mostly box related model we are using the cube. Next is curve, sphere, cylinder. This all are we are using for according to our model. We can modify these objects. Moreover, only if you are placing an object in the screen, we can find one or two nodes. If we want to reconstruct our objects according to our model, we can place the number of nodes in particular position, where we need to change the or where we need to alter the particular objects. According to that presence of the node, the objects will be transformed to our wish. Next is cone, again a monkey face, and the torus, that is the ring shape model. Quick practice: add a cube, scale it to the Z to make it is a flat, add 4 cylinder as a leg, position them under the corners. For all the parts with the control plus J, we can join all the parts in the cursor. Thank you.